Welcome back to Nicko's Kitchen, and here's how you make IKEA meatballs at home. Into a food processor, combine 1/3 of a cup of chopped onion, 1 egg, 1/3 of a cup of beef stock, 2 tablespoons of water, 220 grams or half a pound of ground beef, 220 grams or half a pound of ground pork, half a cup of dried breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of white pepper, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of allspice. Pulverize until the mixture is completely smooth and there aren't chunks of onion. Using a tablespoon measurement or ice cream scoop, form balls that are about 1 inch in diameter. Place on a baking tray lined with baking paper and place into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. While the meatballs are baking, make the sauce. Into a saucepan, add 1/3 of a cup of heavy cream, 1 1/4 cups of beef stock, 4 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of apple juice, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of onion powder. When the mixture begins to bubble, add 1 bay leaf and reduce the heat to thicken the sauce for 7 minutes. Once thickened, remove the bay leaf. When the meatballs come out of the oven, in a large pan, add a small amount of vegetable oil and turn the heat to medium-high. Get some extra colour on those meatballs by mixing them for several minutes. Now serve the meatballs with the cream sauce. These famous IKEA meatballs are now yours to make at home. So delicious and so easy to make. All we have to do now is get stuck into these bad boys.